a seat right now. Right now. You were told to go have a seat.
I'm waiting for
He shoved me. He just didn't like escort me out. He just grabbed me up and just gave me a shove.
And he violently shoved me out of the building?
Yeah.
Sir, I need to show you Florida law right now.
Sanchez, come back out, please. Let me take a picture of you.
You go, sir.
No, I'm not. Listen, read this right here. This is from the department. I'm allowed to do my request personally because some of these records need to be readily available by Florida law.
So right now, due to the COVID, they're working from home.
There's no exception for COVID, Papa.
Right. Work from home. If you want to contact them, that's the number right there.
No, I need
If you want to request to PIO, that's the number right there, okay?
No, I need you to read Florida statute.
Here you go, sir.
This is Florida
I already
statute.
told you, okay?
These are
The records are right there and PIO is right there, okay?
This is the Florida law. What do you know about the 25 missing rifles?
So have a good day.
Sir, why are you denying me access to the building
I told you already.
and you're allowing him into the building?
I told you already. You can come inside, and if you want to speak to someone, you can have a seat there.
I need to speak with someone from Public Information Office.
Okay, have a seat right there. I'll request them to come out. I give you their phone number.
I don't need their phone number. I need the information. There's 25 missing rifles, and we need to know where they're at. And you're denying the records.
No, I'm only allowed to keep the money, not the box.
No, but leave it there.
No, I'm allowed to just the pocket knife. Yeah, I mean, you can come and get it.
Hey, how's it going, sir?
What's going on, boss?
How you doing?
Doing well. What can I do for you?
Can I have your name and your badge number, please?
Yes, sir. My name is Sergeant Villafana, badge 27428.
Okay, I'm trying to file a public records request in accordance with Florida Statute 119.07, which allows me to file my request in person.
Yes, sir.
And it allows me to inspect certain records when they have them immediately available.
Yes, sir.
So I would like to ask for those records. He's denying me access. I have everything documented that I'm allowed to file it in this room.
Sir, we're not denying you access. There's nobody in records right now reference to the pandemic. They haven't been brought back.
Okay.
That's why the officer provided you with a phone number and the email so you can get in contact with them so they can get you the things.
How
sir.
about PIO? I know someone PIO is here.
We can right now.
Because there's 25 missing rifles, and I heard 5 of them were discovered today. So I need to know which 5 were discovered.
Well,
I have all the serial numbers
no,
right here.
I get you. PIO, from what what the officer has just advised me, they're in a meeting right now, so there's nobody available for you right now. If you want to wait, you can wait and we can request them for you, but they're not disposed at the moment, sir.
Okay, so yeah, the public needs to know this information.
Sure.
The rifles are missing. I heard an officer named Claude is responsible, and an officer, Keandra Simmons, is responsible. So we're gonna need to file the public records report.
No.
And we need a statement. We need a statement from the department.
No, we can definitely knock that out for you. I don't know the specifics.
Are you with PIO?
No, I'm not,
okay,
sir. I'm not,
okay,
sir.
okay,
They just
okay.
requested a supervisor.
Okay.
I don't know what the specifics of that particular case is.
Where can I wait for the media? For the
Well, if you want, right there. We have seats available, sir.
Perfect. So I'm gonna swipe all my.
Yeah. Just checking with the security. Get your badge and just sit. Wait. We'll
All
get
right.
there.
Perfect. I appreciate your time, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Anything else we can do for you?
No. Thank you.
Boss, stay over there. Stay over there. No, by the seats. By the seats.
This is public. This area is public. sir.
Go have a seat right now. Right now. You were told to go have a seat.
I'm waiting for PIO.
That's very nice. Go have a seat. We're doing roll call, and we can't have you interrupting the roll call.
I didn't interrupt anyone, sir. I didn't interrupt anyone. Chill with the attitude.
Have a seat. It's called the direct order, so go have a seat.
We got an unmarked detective. Sir, do you know about the 25 missing rifles?
Yeah.
Do I know about it?
Yeah.
Who are you meeting at PIO so I can go get them for you?
Anybody with media that can tell me about the 25 missing rifles?
Guys.
And I also need to speak with them about Papier. He crashed his car and his wife drove over here with a flat tire and they covered it up.
I got it. I'll follow there. They're at the state attorney's office. They're not here.
Oh, they're by the Civic Center.
No. State attorney's office on 12th Avenue. Do you
Yeah,
know the-
by the courthouse. The state attorney's office by the courthouse.
Yeah, but you're pointing at downtown.
I'm pointing outside.
It's over there. They're there because they're there till 4 o'clock doing something with the state attorney's office.
All right, guys.
So there's nobody there till
All right,
then.
appreciate that. All right, guys.
If someone tells you to stop recording inside a government building, would you know which constitutional protections may apply? This case raises questions involving the First Amendment, freedom of speech and recording in many public settings, and the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable seizures. According to the complaint, the citizen believed he was exercising protected rights, while courthouse security may have been acting under building security policies. Based only on the supplied footage and transcript, the citizen's communication remains calm and consistent, grade A-, while the officer's conduct cannot be fully evaluated without their perspective and applicable courthouse policies. So the available record supports only a provisional grade C, pending additional evidence.
And what was the complaint, or what was going on?
Oh, we just
Yeah, it was
wanted
just
to
type
come and
things in.
file a FOIA.
Okay. All right. So, I guess it says type of incident. I guess what would be your complaint?
Oh, assault.
Okay. And then, if you want to briefly explain to me what happened.
I was exercising my First Amendment right by video recording, as I am right now. And the two officers, which I have it all on video, and you guys can get the video and whatnot.
Video recording.
Yes.
Okay.
And I told them I wanted to go and file a FOIA, and the one officer.
Sorry, it was here, right?
It was here.
Okay.
Yes, it was here.
So video recording at
650 West 8.
Yep, CJC 650 West 8. If that sounds okay for you.
And I wanted to come and file a FOIA
Okay.
and conduct rights of First Amendment rights of gathering my story
Sure, you
for
wanna
my news.
File a FOIA
Right.
request, right?
Right, file a FOIA request.
FOIA request. Okay.
And I was denied FOIA, so that's one thing. I denied a FOIA.
Okay.
I was told that there's no video recording and whatnot, and I was shoved on, pushed on, and I asked for the law to see the law.
So told no. I'm sorry. Just writing slower than you're talking. So told no recording.
Told no
correct?
recording.
By the officers.
Right.
Okay. And you said you were shoved.
Yeah, I was shoved. At that point, I was grabbed and shoved. I didn't know if I was being escorted out, trespassed, or
Sure.
arrested at that point,
Sure.
which
So,
is all on film.
And they told no recording by officers, was shoved and grabbed. And you said you didn't know if you were under arrest.
Right, right,
No, if under arrest.
right.
Okay. Anything else there, Bob?
And he said I was, it's all on film, sure.
I'll make a note here. Didn't know if it was under arrest, and you said
Right.
this is all filmed.
Right.
And it was.
And I
all
asked him
filmed.
if I was being escorted out, and he said, yes, I was. And he said I had no, legitimate reason to be here.
Sure. So I asked him. Sorry, ran out of here. You asked him what, sir? I'm trying to write down there. I lost it. So this was all filmed, and you said I asked him, and I lost. Sorry, I lost what you were saying.
I asked him if he, if he knew the law on the building.
Okay. If he knew the law in the building.
Right.
Okay.
And I was gathering content for my story to publish.
Okay. And you said I was gathering contact.
Right.
All right. And then what happened?
He grabbed me and showed me, content.
Okay. Sorry. So if he knew the law on the building, I was gathering content.
Right. Well, he didn't let me get a chance to say that. Actually, he didn't let me get a chance.
But that's
to
what
say
you were trying to.
Right. Right.
Okay.
And they proceed to both look at each other.
Okay.
And
then they escorted you out.
Gully escorted me out.
So they looked at each other.
Right.
And then Gully escorted you out.
Right.
Okay. And they didn't really hear you. They weren't listening to you.
They weren't listening to me. no.
Okay. Sorry. So I'm sorry. They looked at each other. And then Gully escorted you out.
Yeah.
Both of you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he didn't put hands on me, but
Gotcha. But it
I had it on camera.
sure escorted us both out. But
Right.
okay.
He put his hands on me.
Us both out.
violently through. And he shoved me. He just didn't like escort me out. He just grabbed me up and just gave me a shove.
And he violently shoved me out of the building?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
He told me I had to leave, you know.
Okay. Here we go. Here. So, anything else you want me to add here? I'll read this. Sorry, I was writing fast.
That's it.
I'm gonna read this
It's
back
kind
to
of
you.
hard, you know.
I get you. It's hard to.
And it's emotional, too,
No, I
you
understand.
know. As,
So, video recording at CJ 650 West State.
for sure.
Sorry, I'm fixing my handwriting. So, I wanted to file, right?
Right.
To file FOIA requests.
Right.
You were denied the FOIA, correct?
Correct.
I told no recording by officers, was shoved and grabbed. I didn't know if under arrest this was all filmed. I asked him if he knew the law.
Can he show me the law?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
If he knew the law, or did so, you asked him if he could show you the law.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Not, I wasn't disrespectful
No,
or
no, I
nothing.
get you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If he could show you the law, I'm going to
Yeah.
change that there. So I'm gonna initial here, change that. So
Yeah.
sorry. Let me read this back here. So I asked him if he could show you the law.
For sure.
Show me the law
Yeah, I mean,
on building, right?
yeah,
I was gathering content.
for sure.
They looked at each other, talking about the two security officers, right? They looked at each other.
Yeah.
And then Gully escorted us both out, and he violently shoved me out of the building.
Right.
Does that sound accurate to about mostly what you're complaining?
Mostly, and it's on video too.
Yeah, and I think let me see if I thought I put that on there. This was all filmed, I will.
For sure.
Okay.
And where is this going to go?
So this complaint, I'm taking it,
Okay.
and then I will give it to the courthouse security director.
Awesome.
Okay, and that'll go for him. Now,
Thank you.
that's that. There, I'll have you guys fill out your info.
For sure,
So
Bob.
what I'm going to do here with this, to kind of meet in the middle here,
All right.
because what I'm going to do is I'll make a copy of this, like you
You're
said.
going to stamp it?
If they have a stamp.
For
But
sure.
what I'll do is, I'll make a copy of either way. What I'm going to do is, with your guys' help, I can, if you don't want to fill this out, just to make it easier for all of us,
Right.
the only way I'm being told they do this is with this. So if you're all right with me, I will help you guys. We can fill out this form.
And then that's the onus is on you. If you want to do that, we don't have to stay here, but we just want our copy and we'll be on our way. If that's comfortable for you to do that, that's on
I can
you.
do
That's
that,
not
but
on
I'll
us.
need just the basic information, though.
There's the basic information.
But for you, because they'll want your name.
That should be sufficient enough.
Okay.
Yep. Like,
They
legit.
need, but to get the Freedom of Information Act, I believe they just need your information, and they told me an email. Do you have an email they could send you?
That number should be sufficient enough.
This is your phone number?
Yes, sir.
And obviously I have your name right here.
For sure.
I didn't want, you want me to, I guess I can do this. Do you want, I can write your name on here and your phone number.
Right.
And I'll make a copy of this and I can attach it. At least this form's
Buddy,
semi-filled out.
just give me a copy and let me be on my way. Whatever you want to do with this information, that's on you, boss.
Let me make a copy and I'll be right back.
For sure, bud. Thank you. Then we'll be on our way.
No, no problem.
Awesome.
And
You
if
guys
you
are
got any questions,
awesome. I have no.
I'm going to leave this here so you guys can.
I have one other question. If we went upstairs, would you arrest us?
I would try not to,
You would try not to.
because I would much rather not.
For sure.
I do, and the biggest thing is there's safety concerns.
I understand.
There's victims,
For sure.
witnesses, suspects, things like that. We're just trying to protect people. It's not anything against you guys. Like right now, we're in a public area.
Awesome.
That's why there's no issue. So obviously, I don't want to
Awesome.
arrest anyone.
Right.
If that's all board up. So what I'm gonna do is leave my pen here.
Thank you, sir.
So you guys can fill out your basic information for this complaint.
And then
part.
you'll just give us a copy
I'm
of
gonna
that,
make a copy.
and we'll be on our way.
I'll be right back.
Awesome, boss.
And here's a pen there. If you
Thank
guys
you,
want to
buddy.
just fill out enough info that
Man,
you want to
awesome.
give me.
And what is your name?
My name's Lieutenant Brular. You can just call me Joe.
Man, Joe.
So, but if you would do me a favor, guys, at the very least, I know I got a phone number on here.
Okay.
If you leave me your phone number and just your name at the very least on there, so we can have somebody get back to you.
Awesome,
I'll be
buddy.
right back.
That sounds
Give me
awesome.
a second. I'll fill this out and attach it.
You're awesome. Thank you, bud.
Be right back.
When does courthouse security become a lawful restriction, and when could it become an unreasonable seizure? The First Amendment can protect recording of public officials, but that protection is not unlimited inside every government facility. Reasonable security rules, restricted areas, privacy, and non-interference may still apply. The Fourth Amendment becomes relevant if physical control restrains a person's movement without sufficient legal justification. The citizen clearly stated his purpose, requested legal authority, and preserved a complaint, grade A-. The lieutenant remained calm, documented the allegation, and offered a copy, grade A. The accused security officers cannot be fairly graded from this transcript alone because their footage, policies, warnings, and justification are absent.